Hello everyone, myself Sai Prasad, Alexa in Ahmedabad High School and the Junior College. Welcome to a series of the lectures of Intermediate Second Year Maths A. We started a discussion with our chapter Theory of Equations. What did we learn? Just we had a basics of how to solve a given equation when three roots are given. Then we also learned when the equation is given, we'll just go through the sum of the roots, product of roots, right? Fine. Today we are going to continue the same topic by using the relations, that is S1, S2, S3. We are going to start solving this kind of polynomials. Okay, now we will just increase the amplitude. Here the degree is 3, then we will start with degree 4, 5 and we'll end up with 6. Done? Shall we start? Okay, see here. Given, he is asking us to solve this equation if the roots are in GP. Okay, how do you solve this? First we will assume the roots which are in geometric progression. Okay, so how do we write? Now let us assume a by r, a and ar be roots of given equation 1. Done? So the next step is we have to write the parameters, that is S1, S2, S3. S1, S2, S3. What will be S1? A plus B plus C. A by R plus A plus AR. Next, S2 will be A by R into A plus A into AR plus A by R into AR. Isn't it? Next, what is S3? Product. A by R into A into AR. Is it right? Now just tell me, here it is 26 by 3. Here it is 52 by 3 and here it is 24 by 3. Okay, now we have to take one of the parameters here. Now let us see this. RR will get cancelled. I will get A cube is equal to 24 ones are 24 8s are. A cube is equal to 8. What about A? The value of A is 2. We got the answer? Yes. Now let us substitute A equal to 2 in one of the equations, either in this or in this. Okay, it's better we'll substitute here itself so that we'll have a clarity, isn't it? So if I substitute it here, I'll get A by R, that is 2 by R plus 2 plus 2R is equal to, can I cancel this? No, right? So let us put it like that only. Now let me cross multiply and simplify. If I take LCM here first, let me take 2 plus 2r plus 2r square, or else can I take 2 common here? Yes, right. Whole divided by r is equal to 26 by 3. Let me take 2 common here. This will be like 1 plus r square is equal to 26 into r by 3. 2 ones are 2 13s are. Let me cross multiply now. 3 plus 3r plus 3r square is equal to 13r. That will be 3r square. And the next here 3 minus 13. How much is it? Minus 10r plus 3 equal to 0. Is it right? 3r square minus 10 plus 3. Now can I solve it? Factorize it. 3 3s are 9. 9 1s is 10. So if I factorize this will be minus 9r minus r plus 3 equal to 0. If I take 3r common, I will be left with r minus 3. If I take minus 1 common, I will be left with r minus 3. So the values of r is 3 and one more r is 1 by 3. Now let me take both the cases. Okay, is it clear? I got the value of a and r. Now let us substitute in this roots. So case 1, r is equal to 3, a is equal to 2. Roots are a by r, a and ar. A by r is 2 by 3, a is 2, ar is a is 2, r is 3, that is 6. Roots are 2 by 3, 2 and 6. Here case 2, r is 1 by 3, a is 2. So the roots are a by r, a and ar. A by r is 2 by 1 by 3, which is nothing but 6. A is 2. A by r is, sorry, a into r is 2 by 3. Obviously both the roots are same, so we need not worry. Therefore roots are, what are those? 2, 2 by 3 and 6. Clear? What was the condition here? The main motivation here it is given the roots are in GP. So obviously we'll take the roots which satisfies the condition of geometric progression. So we'll take it as a by r, a and ar. So that those are the roots of equation 1. Such that we'll write sum S2 and S3. And we manipulate this, either substitute one in other in this. Clear? And we got the value by product, we got the value of a, and from here remember that if it is in AP we'll add it, that is we'll take this. If it is in GP we'll take this, right? Remember, from that you'll directly get one parameter, so we can directly substitute another to get one more variable, isn't it? Did you understand? Shall we move on to the next problem? Let's do. Look at the next question here. He is asking us to solve x power 4 minus 6x cube plus 13x square minus 24x plus 36 equal to 0. Given that they have multiple roots. So from here we'll just have a few tricks to solve it. Whenever they say multiple roots, remember that this function f of x and its differentiated function f dash x will have same root. Okay, so it's better we will first take it as f of x is equal to x power 4 minus 6x cube plus 13x square minus 24x plus 36. Done. From in this problem we are going to learn most of the new things. So what if I differentiate this? 4x cube minus 6 3s are 18x square plus 32s are 26x minus 24. Check it properly. 4x cube minus 6 3s are 18x square, 13 2s are 26x minus 24, 36 ka differentiation is 0. If you can solve this, you can, or else double differentiate it. I'll tell you. Double differentiate it, you will get it as 4 3s are 12x, 12x square, 8 2s are 18 2s are 36x, here 26. Okay, this is one f double dash x. One more thing you have to use is just put different values, that is trial and error method. Okay, for this equation let us put 1, minus 1, 2, minus 3 up to the better solution is from minus 3 to plus 3. Okay, however there is a constant, 0 is not possible. Okay, remember if this alternate numbers 4 plus 26 is 30, 18 plus 24 is somewhat 24, 34, 44, 42. Are they same? Obviously no. If they get cancelled, you can write 1 as a factor. Okay, if this is negative and these are positive, then 1 as a factor. If all are positive and if I put this alternate things as minus 1, then if they cancel, minus 1 will be the root. That is one more trick. 2 and minus 2 we have to substitute. 3 and minus 3 also we have to substitute. 2 it is impossible. We can see it. 3 let us substitute and check. Put x is equal to 3. F dash 3. What do I get? 4 into 3 cube minus 18 into 3 square plus 26 into 3 minus 24. 3 cube is how much? 3 cube is 27. 27 into 4, 18 into 9, 3 6 are 18, 3 2 are 6, 7 minus 24. 7 4s are how much is it? 28, 4 2 are 8, 9 10. 18 9s are how much is it? 172, isn't it? Sorry, 162 plus 78 minus 24. Now just check 8 plus 8, or else let us subtract minimal things, or else let us do 8 plus 8 is 16, 7, 8, 186 minus, here, is it right? 8 plus 8 is 16, 7 plus 1 is 8, and one more, 162 plus 24, 2 plus 4 is 6, 6 plus 2 is 8. These both are getting cancelled, therefore 3 is one root. Okay, therefore 3 is a root of f dash x and f of x. Okay, one thing, why can't we substitute direct 3 in f of x itself? Why only f dash x? Because here in f of x we have up to x power 4. It becomes a hectic. At least x cube is better to simplify. Okay, next we got one root. So how do we solve it? Let us do a synthetic method or simply a kind of Horner's method. How do we do it is very important. Concentrate here. Just write all the constants 1, minus 6, 13, minus 24, 36. Okay, and we have one root, that is 3. Let us take it. 3. First step is put a 0 here. Okay, now add 1 plus 0 is 1. Done. Now just multiply 3 with this one. 3 ones is 3. Now add this. This will be minus 3. Again multiply this with this number. 3 into minus 3 is minus 9. 13 minus 9. How much is it? 13 minus 9 is 4. Now 4 3s are 12. Now here it is. Sorry, this is plus 12. Minus 24 plus 12 is minus 12. Now 12 3s is 36. Now let us add these both. Okay. Still we got in terms of cubical equation. Again let us put 3 again. 0. Done. Now 1, 3 ones are 3. Okay, these both will go. Here it is 0, we'll get it as 4. 4 3s is 12. Okay, now let us write this as an equation. So what do we get here? X square plus 4 equal to 0. So 4 equal to 0. What does this mean? X square is equal to minus 4. Obviously x is equal to under root minus 4. What does this mean? X is equal to plus or minus 2y. Right? One more thing, if you observe, given there are multiple roots, obviously 3 and 3 are multiple. I mean, we have to take 3 as, yes, repeating root. Okay. So 3, 3 and one more 2 roots are plus or minus 2y. Therefore, roots are 3, 3, 2y minus 2y. Is it okay? Did you understand? Once again see here, for a given equation, whenever they say it as multiple roots, which means it will have same kind of roots again, repeating roots. So we can directly differentiate it and check which number is satisfying to this equation. Just if it is a quadratic equation, we would have solved. Okay, or else if someone knows how to factorize it also, they can. Okay, so the better route is just trial and error method. We'll just substitute all the values from minus 3 to 3. Here we say that 3 is satisfying it, so that 3 is a root of this f of x and f dash x. Done. By using one root, we'll just use the synthetic method so as to form remaining roots. Okay, once again let me tell you this. First we will write all the coefficients 1, minus 6, 13, minus 24, 36. Okay, we'll first put 0 here. We'll just add 1 plus 0 is 1. Now multiply 3 ones are 3. We'll get minus 3. Again 3 into minus 3 is minus 9. We'll get 4. Okay, 4 3s is 12. Again we'll get minus 12. Is it fine? Then again, since it is multiple, I mean it has the same repeating root, we'll again put 3. Again we'll get the same thing. Solve this, we'll get the equation ka roots. Okay, shall we move on to the next problem? Let's do. Look at the question here. he gave solve this particular equation given that one root is equal to half of the sum of the remaining two. Okay, so what do this mean? Let us say alpha, beta, gamma are the three roots. Okay, let alpha, beta, gamma are three roots. Okay, so he is giving that one root is equal to half of sum of other two, isn't it? Yes, right? So what if I do sum of the roots now? S1 alpha plus beta plus gamma is equal to, what is sum of roots here? Minus 81 by 18, isn't it? Can I cancel? 9 2s are 9 9s are, isn't it? Fine. Now what is alpha here? Beta plus gamma by 2 plus, or else let me write it here. What is beta plus gamma? 2 alpha, right? So instead of this, let us substitute 2 alpha. Let me put this alpha as it is. This is minus 9 by 2, right? Alpha plus 2 alpha is 3 alpha. 3 1s are 3 3s are. Alpha is minus 3 by 2. Is it okay? Yes, we got one root. So what can we do? We can apply the simple synthetic division which we did in our last problem. So how do we do that? 18, 81, 121, 60. Here minus 3 by 2. Now what is the next step? We will just put 0 here. Okay. Now 18 plus 0 is 18. Now 18 into 3 by 2. How much is it? 2 1s are, 2 9s are will get cancelled. 9 3s is 27. Now tell me 81 minus 27. How much is it? 11 minus 7 is 4. 7 minus 2 is 54. Is it? Now 3 by 2 into 54. 2 1s are 2 into 27. 27 3s is 81. Is it okay? If you have any doubt, you can solve it separately, ma. Don't get confused in between. 3 by 2 into 54. 2 1s are 2 into 27. 7 3s are 21. 4 3 2s are 6. 8. Right? So now again 121 minus 81. How much is it? 81 is 91. 0 1 11 121 40. Now 40 into 3 by 2. 2 1s are 2 2s are 2 3s are 60. Therefore this is our equation. Can we solve this? Yes, right? So 18x square plus 54x plus 40. Which number can I take as common? 2. Okay. So 9x square plus 27x plus 20. Now tell me 2 9s is 180. What are the factors of 180? Just tell me 180 ka factors. 18 10s or just write 180 ka factors. 18 into 10. Okay, then next 9 2s are 5 2s are. Then 5 2s are 10. 10 2s are 20. 20 plus 9 is 29. Impossible. And then still tell me 15 table, will it go? 12 15s are. Just tell me. Here it is 3 into 3. 5 3s are 15. 3 2s are 6. 6 2s are 12. Obviously. So 15 12s is 27. 15x plus 12x plus 20 equal to 0. Now let us take 3x common here. I will be left with 3x plus 5. If I take 4 common, I will be left with 3x plus 5. If I take 3x plus 5 as common, I will be left with 3x plus 4 equal to 0. Therefore, x is minus 5 by 3 minus 4 by 3. So finally the roots are, therefore roots are minus 3 by 2, minus 5 by 3 and minus 4 by 3. Is it right? Did you understand? So the main motivation here you have to remember is we have to solve this such that the given condition we have to observe. One root is equal to half of sum of other two. Okay. Now we can observe here is this is half of other two. Okay. 5 plus 4 is 9. 9 by 3 is 3. However, by 2 will be there. Clear? Fine. So we will write alpha is equal to beta plus gamma by 2. So beta plus gamma is 2 alpha. So let us substitute in the sum. We'll get the value of alpha, which is nothing but 1 root. Once if I get 1 root, we'll directly go to synthetic division method. We'll get reduced equation. We'll solve it. We'll get 2 more equations, 2 more solutions. Clear? Did you understand what all we learned in this session? The main thing we have learned this kind of synthetic division method. Clear? Fine. We can have more discussion about this when it goes to higher degree. Okay, as of now we have reached power 4 only. Let us do few more problems in the coming session. Okay, fine. This is for today. Let us meet in the next session with the more problems of theory of equation. Thank you.